Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today, if you haven't read the title already, which you obviously have, I'm going to be doing my £3,500 January haul. I want to kind of go through that with you guys. You will understand why it is so expensive after I go through like the first 2 or 3 items. But yeah, I'm so excited for that. If you haven't subscribed already, do subscribe now. I'm going to be doing a day in the life vlog, or coming with me through my day, my week as such. So I'm going to be putting the whole week's content in one. I upload every Monday, Thursday and Sunday, so do subscribe now if you want to keep updated. I'm so excited to show you guys what is in store for this year, so do subscribe. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So item number 1 that I bought, and the reason why I'm doing this one first is because you're not going to be able to see it. If you haven't seen it already, it's probably in my last video, which is my Sony A6400 that I bought, and it's the one I'm filming on right now, as you can tell, the different quality. And that came up to about 1,100 after insurance that I got on it, and little bits like that. I'll go into the details of the other bits that I had to buy with it as well. I kind of was toying between the Canon G7X, which is what a lot of YouTubers use, and the quality is so good, but I really wanted this camera. And I did type in what camera does I want to use, which is the Canon 80D, I believe, or one of the cameras that she uses, but I wanted this camera. The second purchase I got, if you haven't seen just then, was the MacBook Pro 2019. Again, I knew I wanted a laptop, but I didn't know which one. I did so much research on what possible laptops I could get, and I was just sold on the fact that I really wanted my first ever MacBook. And then I was toying between the fact of whether it was an Air or a Pro. I kind of went for the Pro because of the kind of things I want to be doing on it. This caters for it a lot more. Then the next thing after that was choosing whether I wanted the silver one or the space grey one, and I definitely wanted space grey. Now if you haven't seen in my last video, there are a lot of pros and cons in choosing the grey one. One of the facts is that when you do get the grey one, if it scratches, because the underlining is silver, it does cause a lot of the silver to then show onto the grey, whereas if it's a silver one and he scratches under silver underlining, you're not really going to see it. But there are ways around that. Screen protectors, covers for your laptop, don't drop it, and things like that. And my laptop, after insurance, after programs that I installed, because I got it from Apple, and after what else did I get on it? Oh yeah, I also edited the RAM. So when you're on the Apple website, you can tailor it to the type of RAM that you want. I got the 16 gigabytes and a few of the different things that I added on as additional extras, and my laptop came up to about 2,100. And everything that I say in this video, I'm going to link down below, and if I haven't, do tell me and I'll link it down below. Next, I want to get on to like the little techie stuff so that we can get, so it links with what I'm talking about. Next, if you haven't seen the Apple laptop already, the MacBook Pro, it doesn't come with USB ports like the other laptops do. Now with that, I then had to go and buy the port hub, which is connects into the port that the Apple laptop has, and then gives you your USB, your SD card reader, quite a few USBs, and this came up to about £25. They got it off Amazon. You can get so many other ones. There are more expensive ones that do like 10 times other different things, but this does exactly what I wanted it to do, which is just kind of a USB port, SD card reader, and a few other things. I didn't really want to go extra with it all. The next thing that I got was an accessory for my camera, which is additional camera batteries and a battery charger, because that is something that you have to buy when buying this camera. It does come with a battery, but you do need to buy your own battery charger if you want to charge any extra batteries, which I've noticed with the battery on this camera, it is very good, but if you're filming back to back to back, you do need extra batteries. Now I got this, and I got it from Amazon, and this came up to about £25. And this is what it looks like, and then you just plug it into the wall. You use your own USB head, but then you plug it into the wall, and that is that. Next, I got this beauty brushes. Now these beauty brushes, I was due brushes for a long time, because I do always wash and clean my brushes, but I just really wanted new brushes, because the brushes I had literally used down to the bone, and they were just not working. I'd had them for ages. So I thought, why not get some new brushes? But I didn't want to spend too much on brushes. So I got these cool funky ones from Amazon actually. Read the reviews, they're really good, really inexpensive brushes. I got this whole pack of, I think it's 27 brushes actually. How many brushes? 16 brushes, and these are all the brushes that it comes with, which is quite cool. So quite some nice ones there. So far I've only used one of the brushes because I kind of only wear foundation and sometimes a bit of highlight. So I got these foundation brushes just to, you know, spice it up a little bit and, you know, be able to vary my brushes and, you know, keep them clean and change them every however long. I try to use them for as long as possible. Moving on to other makeup items. So yeah, I don't know if I said the brushes was £7 off Amazon. It was £7 or £8. I will link it down below so that you guys know. Next, in the beauty section, I got some eyelashes. Now I got these Kiss eyelashes, and yes, they are missing out of the packet. I got them for a wedding on the 25th of January, and ever since I haven't been able to find them. So I need to find them because I really don't want to be spending another however much on lashes. These, I wanted to show you them anyway because these are my absolutely favourite lashes of all time. One of my favourites. They're my go-to. I'd say they're about medium length because I haven't really branched out into large eyelashes, but I will go on to that in a second. So they are about medium length. These are my day-to-day. So literally, if you turn up to university in them, you turn up to anywhere in them, they look natural, they look nice and full at the same time. And these are the Kiss lashes. Oh, the number, it's called Little Black Dress. I think that is the model number. Next, onto the big eyelashes. Because I'd never tried them and I never have branched out, I thought I would get some. So, these are the Eyelure London Most Wanted Feed the Need lashes, and they are the Silk Effect lashes. Now, these are very long compared to the ones that I got before. And I kind of wanted to try them because I wanted to branch out and really go for something different, go for something new that I've never done before. And I wanted to pair those with a different style of thick eyelashes just in case if I didn't like those ones, maybe it was just the style of big lashes that it was. So I got two different styles of big lashes, and then I got these ones next to kind of try a little bit different. Now, if you can't read on the packet there, these ones are the they're Featherfeel Lust List lashes, and they are all reusable lashes. I need to find these ones because they are reusable and I like to use them as much as I can. I don't really like to buy the same thing over and over again, so I try to get a bit of use out of that. Oh my god, I've literally just whacked something on my laptop. Okay. Continuing on with the beauty that I got this month, I also got the MAC I haven't used MAC makeup in a long time. I want to do a get ready with me. I'm going to be filming a Valentine's Day video as well. If you guys want to see that, I'm going to be, because I don't wear full face of makeup all the time, but I'm going to be going ham and really going all out for Valentine's Day look for my next YouTube video. So if it's not my next YouTube video, I've done it already and it's uploaded, so go and watch that if you guys want to see me transform from 0 to 100, because I'm going to be going all out. This is partly why I bought this makeup, because we are going all out. But anyway, next I got the LA Girl Pro Conceal in, I don't know if this will do it. I don't know, sometimes I get it on the spot. Maybe I'm just doing it really wrong, or do people do that? Oh my god, that actually works. I used to think, why do people put their hand like that? It actually works, that is crazy. But anyway, I got the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the colour Creamy Beige. I do mix this one with a darker one just because I want to get the colour. In any foundation, makeup and stuff like that, I don't have my exact colour, so I like to mix it with another colour. So don't worry if you're thinking, wow, that is a bit bright. I do mix it with a darker one. Next, my cousin suggested the next two items for me. So she really hooked me up with some good products, and if it wasn't for her, I don't know when I would have discovered these. Like, I honestly don't know. But she suggested the Maybelline New York Matte and Poreless Fit Me powder. I feel like everyone uses this, so if I show you guys this now, you're gonna be like, I've been using that for years. But yeah, I only just started using this in January, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try it again. Hopefully it works. Oh my, it actually works. That's crazy. But yeah, it's the Fit Me, and I got it in the colour 332. Now it's golden caramel and it's the exact same colour as my foundation, because obviously I just wanted to, you know, make my foundation a lot more, you know, enhance it a bit more than the exact colour. Nothing lighter, nothing darker, exactly that. And I think that's how you do it anyway. I'm not too good with these makeup hacks and stuff. But the next thing that my cousin suggested for me was, now this is hair related. If anyone knows, I love my hair. I love trying different colour hair. I love doing different hairstyles, doing hair hacks, and making sure that my hair is really like flowy and like nice and straight is a huge thing for me. So she suggested for me, especially because I straighten my hair a lot, was to get this. Now this is the Frizz Ease John Frieda, and you're supposed to use this just after washing your hair. And when it's still damp, put a blob of this onto your hair, very small blob, like honestly, minuscule blob, and literally just run it through the hair like this. And look how silky it makes your hair. It is insane how silky it makes your hair, and I'm so happy with this. Like, this is probably one of my favoritist purchases of this whole thing, apart from my laptop and camera of course, but this is amazing. And now this was £5 and I got it from Asda. I don't know if I've said the price of everything so far, but the eyelashes were £11 each, apart from the Kiss lashes, which were £7. Yeah, I think I've said everything else so far. Now, moving away, next thing I got was some weighing scales. Now we are really going into everything I bought this month, and I got some weighing scales because I woke up one morning and my weighing scales were broken. Yeah. So I bought some, and this is because I'm kind of trying to eat healthy. I put on so much weight over Christmas, which is why I'm very excited to do a Christmas holiday vlog this year, because if you see how much food I put away at Christmas, you know I'm not playing. And I'm so excited to start, you know, getting back into healthy eating, getting back into exercising. And I just really needed these. And now these scales are amazing, because if you can see all these notches here, it's basically because it measures bone mass, it measures water, it does kilograms, it's digital, it does quite a lot of things. But actually, I got this, as expensive as it sounds, it was £30, which is extremely expensive for a scale, because I'm usually like £5, £8 for a scale, but it was reduced to 15. However, it comes with a 15-year guarantee. Now, had I had that guarantee on my last scales, I wouldn't even be having to replace them. So imagine £15 guaranteed for 15 years. Now, that's a bargain if you ask me, because it's technically £1 a year. Another thing I got were these boxes, and as you can see, these are from Primark, because it says here, and these were £7. Now I needed this because I needed something to put my, so I have a desk in my room, but I wanted to section everything so that it's not just out and sprawled out all over the table. I wanted to section everything just to try and tidy things up, make it look neater, you know, 2020 new year, make everything look as nice as possible. Again, that was £7. And I think that's everything trinkety. This microphone for when I'm filming my YouTube videos, and as you can see, it's not connected up yet, but this is everything that came in the box, and I received it yesterday. But yeah, clothes wise, I got this ASOS parcel. I haven't delved into this just yet because I'm trying to lose weight and eat healthier, so I bought the size that I normally am before Christmas, so I'm just waiting for a bit before I actually get into this. But I got a white turtleneck, and if you guys haven't seen on Instagram yet, there is this whole like white turtleneck and black jumper vibe going on, and I really wanted to jump on the bandwagon for that. I also got a black crop top jumper, which I've never had before, but I knew like it's going to be it's January right now, so it's going to be a long time before it gets hot, and I just wanted you know, something that will be like quite, you know, small but also warm at the same time. And I also got a brown belt because I've only ever had black belts. Black belt, you know, karate, but no, I wanted a brown belt to kind of like spice up my outfits a bit, and I do have an outfit in mind, like a brown belt, white jeans, white mum jeans, or brown belt, white mum shorts, and so many other outfits. I'm going to be doing so many lookbooks. I'm going to be going on holiday this year, and I want to take you guys on my lookbooks and stuff like that. I got so many fashion ideas when I was in Italy, and I'm so excited to start showing you guys I'm wearing that. And now this next one, I've been so excited. I can't wait to wear this again. It's the size that I usually am before Christmas, so I've got a way to go before I can actually wear this until I've lost the appropriate weight. But this is one that if you guys use Instagram, like even if you've been on Instagram for 5 seconds, you have seen this top, and it is the zip top that, you know, you can unzip at the bottom. So basically, only this part is zipped up. But yeah, I'm so excited to start wearing that. And this one I got from from Depop, from a girl that hand makes these clothes, and now I kind of like, even though it's kind of good, I've supported her business. I think that's the main advantage of having bought this top. But then I realised places like Misguided, Boohoo, Pretty Little Thing, they do this exact top, because it's so in trend, they do this exact top for like £15. Yeah, so I kind of wish I'd gone there. But no, I've helped someone's business out, which is always, always the goal. Other than that, I think that is everything. Oh, there is one other thing, and that is, if you guys have seen the oversized blazers all over Instagram, I got an oversized blazer. And it's, as you can see, it's the oversized blazer. I think these are called boyfriend blazers. But yeah, I'm so excited to wear that. And it's going to be featuring in my Valentine's Day video, so do subscribe now if you want to see that. Guys, that is absolutely everything that I bought in January. Now, if you did like this video, do like, comment and subscribe. And I'm going to be doing so much more content this year. If you haven't seen already, I'm doing a Valentine's Day video. I also recently unboxed my MacBook Pro. And if you want to know how to grow to 10k on Instagram in 1 month, do watch my previous videos, and I have so many more hacks and tips and how-tos coming up very soon. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in 2 days. Bye!